pancake, big fluffy sourdough pancake. We have lots of sourdough here. It's just all frothing at the bit there, but we'll get to that in a minute. We're gonna, first of all, we're gonna mix up our put together our dry ingredients in the bowl. I've kind of gotten a habit lately of sifting my flour, so we'll do that. We'll do that again. I'm having some really good outcomes with that. So what do we need on flour? We need 240 grams of flour. I'll just take it over here. Just have the bowl sitting on the scale. Wow, that's so simple. We got 242 grams. We're gonna go with that. Just beautiful. Ha! I always make a mess with that sifter. Beautiful sifted flour there. Okay, what else do we need in this? Put it all in at one time. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of salt. Baking powder. I use quite a bit, a couple teaspoons. The sourdough is going to puff up these pancakes, but we're gonna put the baking powder, baking soda also to help with that big puff. Okay, baking soda, and we're going to go with a half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to go with one teaspoon of baking soda, or 1/4 teaspoon of, excuse me, let me start over. A half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, we got flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Ooh, this is a biggie, and we don't think of pancakes too much of having sugar, but just two tablespoons of sugar. We don't have too much sugar in there. Okay, we're done with that. Salt, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and flour. That's all of our dry ingredients. Okay, get those mixed up in the bowl, and I'll move this bowl over here. We're gonna do our wet ingredients now. I think I'm done with the scale. Okay. Wet ingredients. We'll do the eggs first. And 2 eggs. I do my eggs room temperature, so I put them in a cup of warm water. Brought them to room temperature, and we'll dump them in there. When they're room temperature, they crack real easy too, so you got to be careful you don't crush them. I do need the scale. Do need the scale back. We'll zero that out. We need 240 grams. 1 cup of milk is 240 grams. Got food 242. That's okay. I have 56 grams of melted butter. It's cooled off, so it's not a warm melted butter. All right, let's zero the scale out again. Sourdough, I have 2 jars of sourdough in. We want a cup of starter. This is going to be 240. So that was active bubbly. Stir it down. Let me look at that. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Let's get 240 grams out of here. And if we don't have enough, we'll take it out of the other jar. $230. $240 grams. Stir that back down. Now this is ready to be fed again. We consumed everything that we needed to consume. We have no discard. Nothing to throw away. Alrighty, we're done with our starter. Now we're done with the scale. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this around a little bit. All right. We're going to add that to our dry ingredients. There's some nice thick pancakes here. Nice thick lumpy batter. That's exactly what we need. I'm going to don't want to over mix this, but I want to make sure we get all that flour out of the bottom. Alrighty. Our batter is mixed. We're going to let it sit about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'll get the griddle ready, and we're ready to make some pancakes. I put a little bit of avocado oil down, and I came back with some melted butter over the top. This is a new griddle. I just picked this griddle up and got it cleaned. It has a couple of layers of seasoning on it. As a matter of fact, I did a seasoning round this morning on this to make sure it had enough. Well, it's a good looking Lodge griddle. Alrighty, I think our griddle's hot enough. I had some steaming. I'm using the full width of the burner under there. So let's go ahead and dump us a pancake on. We're going to take a little time to get this griddle adjusted, so we'll start out small. That's a third of a cup scoop there. Look how nice and thick that pancake is. We're going to do like a standard pancake. We're just going to, let me set that down. Let it bubble up and let some of the bubbles pop. And when we feel the time is right, we're going to flip them. Well, this is a nice, kind of a frothy batter, nice thick batter. What we really want, when we flip them, we want the other side to be just golden, beautiful, dark brown, golden brown, or anything like that. Let's see what this first one looks like. I think that's what we're looking for. Wow. Good. That one flipped, held together. Wow. Just going to cook them just a little while on that second side. Alrighty. I think we're ready here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the sides. Look how thick those are. Look at giant, thick. Yummy. Look at that. Wow. Let's set them over there and get some more get some more in there. Gotta make sure we keep our griddle buttered. Big frothy pancakes. Ah, I made a mess there. All right, let's see if these are ready to come off. They look like they're ready to come off to me. Again, I keep talking about how thick they are. There's 3 pancakes on that plate. Huge fluffy pancakes. Go ahead and, oh, these are just sliding around. This griddle is wonderful. Damn, I'm a good pancake flipper. Didn't even turn it over on top of that other one. All right, let's let those cook. We'll cook our last one here in a minute. All righty, these are gonna be done. Oh yeah. We got a stack of pancakes here. That's a perfectly fine pancake. It's nice and thick. Didn't beat it to death too much. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Golly. Look at how thick those pancakes are. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, let's make us a plate. Sourdough pancakes. Look at this big one. I'm going to eat the big one first. All right, let's taste these pancakes. I'm excited because I know what I had in the jar. If we got it transferred over here, it would be yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, that's really good. I can taste the sourdough. I can taste the little tang from the sourdough. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So that's what we have. Big, fluffy